Hey guys, welcome back. So let's just ignore the fact that the last video that I uploaded was like last year. I told you to bear with me, but I'm really trying my best. Today I'm gonna show you magnetic lashes. So when I was in California, I saw these in Amy's, and since I couldn't find them anywhere in New York, I was thinking, you know what, let me try this out. Let me actually film a YouTube video and so you guys can see, is it worth it? Does it really work, or is it just a waste of money? So let's just jump right into it. So this is how the lashes look like when you take them out of the box. Here you can see there's the part that goes on top of your own lashes and underneath. Here are the magnets that when you attach them together, it will clip around your own lashes, and that's how they hold together, and no glue is needed. Here I'm trying to place the fake lash on top of my own lash as I usually would. As you can see, since there's no glue, it's a little hard to make them stick to your eye. What you do is simply take the bottom part and attach it underneath your lashes, and the magnet will connect. As I'm doing my other eye, you can see what is the difficult and hard part for it. If the magnets don't really align on top of each other, they cannot really connect and the sides lift and it doesn't look perfect and neat as you would like it to be. Let's start with the positive thing. I love that they're magnetic. It's a super cool, fun idea, especially for those who are like struggling with the glue, or even if you have a glue allergy. I mean, there's a lot of allergies out there, but unfortunately it is not as easy as we think, because there's 4 of these strips, and because there's no glue, it's so hard to leave the corners to get them attached and keep them attached onto your upper lid while you take the other one and try to clip them together. Also, it sometimes snatches like super fast, that on one eye it kind of really like hurt on my eyeball, and it was a little uncomfortable. I'm a person, I like to always trim my lashes on the outer corner a little bit just to fit them perfectly to my eye shape. And if I counted correctly, there's 4 magnets on the lash, and I feel if I'm just gonna cut one piece, it's not gonna hold as good together. I mean, it's really a cool idea, but 5 minutes even for one eyelash and it's just not gonna be as perfect. I'm sorry, but this is something that I'm just trying here and now and never again. So what do you think? Yes or no? Let me know below. Was this a waste of money or no? It's up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye. I feel that's even worse. Yeah. I need some help.